Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to enable call forwarding on iPhone. To enable call forwarding on iPhone, it's going to be very easy and basic. The first thing you want to do to enable call forwarding on iPhone, you want to go to your settings. So let's go to the settings. So once you arrived in your settings, I want you to check the upper top. So you are going to see a search box, empty search box over there. I want you to tap on that search box. So once you tap on that search box, I want you to type in phone inside that box. Phone. Type in phone inside that box. So once you type phone inside that box, if you check under it, it's going to display phone icon for you. I want you to tap on that phone icon. So once you tap on that phone icon, I want you to scroll down all the way down. Once you scroll down, you are going to see call forwarding. So I want you to tap on call forwarding here. So once you tap on call forwarding, it's going to take you to another page. On this page, as you can see, it's being shown on the screen, you can see my call forwarding is off. So to turn this on, I just need to tap on this white stuff. Once you tap on it, it will turn green. So under it, you are going to see forward to. That is, you are going to tap on this forward to. It's going to ask you to put in the number you want to forward this calls to. You want to forward calls to. So if you have any number you want to forward any calls to, what you're going to do is just to put in the number here. Once you put in the number, just tap continue, and any call you get will be forwarded to this number you just put. So guys, this is how you can actually enable and set up your call forwarding on your iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.